Hi Dress-It Cuties, Wayne here. Today we're going to draw an earth giant from Disney's Frozen 2. So let's get started. To draw this earth giant, let's first start by drawing its nose. So right here I'm going to start with basically drawing an oval. So this is top of the nose and I'm going to come around and connect it. From there I'm going to come to the side of the nose and draw a big circle for the eyes. So really close to the nose. And I'm going to go and do the same thing on the other side. So about right there. And so then let's come in here and make them draw so cute eyes. So 2 small circles inside for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom, and same thing on this side. So thank you for all your love for all my new Frozen characters that I've drawn. Please make sure to check out my Draw So Cute Frozen playlist for all the characters. And I think I've almost drawn all of them so far, so please make sure to check it out. Okay, so I have the eyes in. Now let's come to the top and we're going to draw the brow. So right in the center of this nose, let's say right here and right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. From these 2 points, I'm going to go straight up on both sides. And from here, I'm going to come and draw a curve over my eye. About right there. And then I'm going to thicken up that brow. So I'm going to go up a little bit higher and then come down. So same thing on this side. Go past the eye and just thicken it up. Then from there, let's come to the top and we're going to start to draw the head. So kind of where our brow is, I'm going to come out of this brow, say about right here. And the same thing on this side. Give myself 2 points. And from there, I'm going to draw a curve above. Not too, it's a little bit flattened out curve. So something like that, and then we're just going to come back down all the way back to our point. And then from there, let's bring this down more for the head on both sides. And I'm just going to keep bringing this down. And so I'm going to come down a little bit lower on this side because I know there's a curve right here for the mouth. So about right there, I'm going to stop. And I'm just going to go up with this curve. Kind of like a grumpy curve that comes down. But right there, I'm going to slant it down and come right to the other side. And then I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. So come right where you started and connect it. There. Okay, so then let's come in for some details right here. I'm just going to add some lines in here. Thicken it up so it kind of looks like teeth. And another one here. So now that we have the head in, let's come and start to draw the body. I'm going to start right here where we drew the mouth, and let's come down with a curve. And we're going to do the same thing about right here as well, centering the head. And I'm going to keep bringing this down, and I'm going to curve it in. So same thing over here. So from there, I'm going to stop because in this area, this earth giant is holding a rock. So I'm going to stop right here and draw a rock. So about right here. Slight angle, doesn't really matter, just a curve. And from this, right in this area, I'm going to draw the hand holding it. So come right here and we're going to draw a thumb, a curve, and then right here we're going to draw 3 fingers. 1, 2, and 3. And whatever space you have left, you can just go ahead and finish that rock and put it inside. And then from there, let's bring this, let's see, a little bit easier. I'm going to start this way. I'm going to put in a curve right there. So I'm going to bring this around. I'm going to connect this one now. And then one more with a curve. So then we can go ahead and bring this up. So from there, I know I'm going to have this curve that comes to connect to here. So I'll start about right here, pretty high up, kind of where the brow is. And I'm going to bring out a curve. So then about right there, I'll just curve in a little bit for some details. And then go ahead and connect back to this point. So then let's see here. Okay, so then let's bring this down more now. So about right here, I'm going to come out again for the belly part. And then in this area, just imagine this curve continuing down. So I'm just going to pop it out about right here on both sides. And I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And about right there, I'm going to connect it with a curve towards the center. And then go back up. And so now we can draw the other hand. So once again, the same thing, pretty high up. Just makes our giant look a lot stronger. And about right here, I'm just going to dip in a little bit and then come out. And if you like, about right there, I'm going to dip in again, just so I can draw the details inside. But if you'd like, you can just make it smooth. And then we're just going to bring it all the way down. So then about right here, I'm going to start and draw a thumb, right? This tummy area. Just going to draw a curve. And then another curve that comes down. And then we're going to go up. Slanted. And connect. And then now the feet. So find your center. So about right there. And I'm just going to draw a straight line down. So the legs are pretty short. So about right here, kind of stubby. Just going to give it a little curve. And then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And in. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And connect. Okay, so we are basically done with the general shape of our earth giant here. Now let's come back in here and we're going to break it up into little parts to make it look like a rock. So say like right here where you have that little dip. Let's come in and put in a curve, and I'm going to do it lightly. So say about right here, because it's just some texture detail if you want to add some details to your earth giant here. So I'm breaking it up into pieces. Okay, so then on this side, it'll be maybe come down right here, and then right here where you dipped, come around. So by making it a curve, you're adding dimension as well. And for the hands, let's break this thumb and curve, and we're gonna go up. So I am basically following, this drawing is basically inspired by the Funko Pop Earth Giant, so that's what I'm kind of following right now for this drawing. It was just so cute when I saw it. I just had to draw it for you. So right here, another line. And then to break up the chest area, let's come about right here, and we're going to angle out and come back into here and break this down, come in. So now the tummy area, let's come about right here, one curve, another curve, and same thing over here. And this one's going to be a little bit lower, and a curve. And then we're just going to connect these 2 points. And maybe another one here. And so then now the feet, we're just going to break it up as well into 4 sections. And like I said, this is just to add texture to it. So maybe a little round one here for toe. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. You can, you can texture your earth giant with any kind of curves as you like. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. And one more here. Okay, and last but not least, of course, we have to add a heart, right? So now it's my Just So Cute Earth Giant from Disney's Frozen 2, inspired by Funko Pop. So there, hope you love how this cute little Earth Giant turned out, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Just So Cute videos. See you later.